This 2025, let us set an even higher standard for ourselves and the Bureau of Customs. We should remain steadfast in guarding our borders, facilitating legitimate trade, and ensuring the lawful collection of revenue. To sustain progress made in the past years, we must be firm in fulfilling our 5-point priority program for 2025. This serves as a cornerstone of our accomplishments. Kasama kayo sa prioridad ko sa taong ito at sa mga susunod na taon. I have made it my personal mission to reach out to all ports and employees because you are the backbone of this institution. Let us rise to the challenge. I'm here to tell you that with a 1.06 trillion target this 2025, the road ahead will not be easy. But it would be an honor to make history alongside all of you. We will encounter countless and complex obstacles along the way. But this I know, we are stronger together. Let us work together and support one another as one community and as one Bureau of Customs.